Hi guys, hope you are all doing well and having a good time. Finally, we are back with another video on our Convenient Dreams channel.
And this time the video is on our house tour, which is very much requested everywhere on Instagram, on YouTube. So finally we are here with the video. So Gundeep will quickly go out and I will officially welcome you people in our house tour. And please like the video and please subscribe to Canadian Dreams and please subscribe to Canadian Dream Vlogs as well. And we will definitely share in some video why we have came up with another channel, but right now we will talk about our house.
Yeah, let's not lose the focus. Let's talk about this house. And also, we are not totally set up with this house because we've recently bought it, moved in here, and some of the suitcases we even haven't opened it because we are not getting ready for our office and stuff. But still, we wanted to make this video and show you our house, not the furniture, but the house. Please don't mind, we already have our old stuff from the basement, right? The furniture we already had, so we've just set it up. For the time being, we are in process of buying our new furniture, new rugs, new
everything.
Blah blah blah. I even lost it because every day we are going for the shopping and stuff.
And we are going to definitely make another video once we set up our house, and we will post the video on the Canadian Dream Vlogs channel, and you can just go and check out that what all furniture we bought. And I will also share that from where I got this stuff. If you people need the information, you can definitely let me know in the comment box.
That part is over where we got the second-hand furniture from the furniture bank. That was also so helpful, but now we're gonna shop for furniture.
Yes, we're gonna spend money. So let's quickly start the video.
Knock knock.
Hey guys, welcome to finally our house tour. So guys, this is the rug and the side table which have arrived today. I was expecting the coffee table as well, but it didn't arrive. So this is going to be in the next house tour, more of a furniture tour I should say. And then the wall which you are seeing here, I am just planning to keep a console table and a nice big flashy mirror I should say. This is what my plan is. And I will keep some laughing Buddhas and some plants there. So I will show you in the tour of our furniture come house video. So this is a nice frame which the seller left for us. I really like it, that's why I have kept it here. Now moving on, so this is our powder room. So powder room is basically just with a pot and the sink, and this is found in each and every house on the ground floor. So let's move on to the most exciting and most important area of the house, which is the living room come dining room. Let's go. First of all, this is the wall where we are going to mount our television. This is the table, if you recognize, it is from that furniture bank video. If you have not watched it, the link is in the description box. And this table is gonna go out or in the basement. We have not yet decided on it, but this TV is definitely going to get on the wall. And there is a small rack on the top, a glass rack. So we have just made it like a small mandir, which is called like temple, and just the model is there. So guys, welcome to our living room, and it is pretty spacious. Right now we have all the old furniture. This furniture is also there in the furniture bank video, even the coffee table and this recliner. This is amazing, it still works. And this is the sofa. So we are planning to keep a bigger recliner here. So on that side of the wall, we are going to keep a 3-seater sofa, and all this other space is going to be empty, and on the floor we will just set that rug which we showed you in the beginning of the video. We are going to share everything in the next video, which will go on our new channel. guys, this IKEA sofa is gonna go out just because it has occupied a lot of space and I really don't want it here, and it will save us a lot of space. And then this area where I am standing right now, this is going to be our dining area. This sofa which you can see here is going to go on the other side of the wall, and these are the cushions which I have recently purchased from HomeSense. They are going to be on the sides. So I love this sofa, and here I have already finalized the dining table. It is just yet to come. The deliveries are taking a lot of time, so I will definitely share it with you people that what I bought. And guys, coming to the second most important part of the house. This is our kitchen area, and I love this area. This is how exactly I wanted the things. So generally in Toronto, whenever you buy a house, you are going to get the appliances installed. If you are buying a new house, it may or may not be included in your house, but if you are getting already built house, then definitely you are going to get the appliances in Toronto. So guys, now coming to the heartbeat of the house, which is so convenient and so environmentally friendly, and Canada has it everywhere. Let's come, I'll show you. So this is the thermostat, and this is how you control it. So right now the AC and the heat is off. So if I want to put it on the AC, like these are summers right now, so this is on the cool mode. So I can just decrease the temperature or increase the temperature, and in winters I can go to the heat mode and I can set the temperature accordingly. So the heat will start running in the whole house. So guys, that's why this thing is so important. This is very convenient, and this is also very much energy efficient, and this runs in the complete house. So guys, there is a window which is covered by the blinds. That is by choice. We are thinking to install the curtains in the long run, but we like it like that right now because it helps us to get a lot of sunlight inside. And then we are going to the backyard, which is the most beautiful area of the house, and due to which we have bought this house. So guys, this is the heartbeat of the house. This is the park which backs a school, and it's really very beautiful. I really love this area. We have already shared this view and the area with you in our previous video. And this is the backyard. So right now you can see it's all like jungle. I should not say that, but the thing is that we are already in the process of changing it to the patio. So it is taking time because Gundeep is busy with his video stuff and I am busy with my office and some other studies. And guys, as soon as we get time, we will definitely share the transformation of this jungle into the patio, and we will show you people how to DIY it, because in Canada you will be needing the DIYs a lot. So guys, now going to the bedroom areas. We have 3 bedrooms, 2 washrooms, and it is like huge for both of us, but once our family is here, it is going to be very good. Oops, I see something here. Oh, this is the Google Nest Mini, and the most exciting thing about this is we got it for free. But how we got it for free, this is not a promotional video actually, and nor Google has sponsored us, but I will definitely let you know that how we got this for free.
That will be on our Canadian Dreams vlogs channel.
is the biggest room of the house. This is the master bedroom.